This is a 2-speed auto jigger without hook setter. Loosen up the wing nut, one turn, lift up the stand, making sure it's sitting on the base, and then tighten up this wing nut as hard as you can. Then open up the braces. Place the unit in front of the ice fishing hole. Now, if the rod holder is locked in place, like this one is, to get it free, unscrew this bolt back here, 4 or 5 turns or whatever it takes to get it free. There it is. Then line up the end of the bolt with this hole and screw the bolt back in all the way. It doesn't have to be tight. Then get the fishing rod, drop the line down the hole to the depth where you want to fish, and then place the rod on the rod holder. Lock it in place with these L hooks. Now, this is important. Position the reel so where the line comes out is going to be approximately between an inch and a half. Between here and here. An inch, inch and a quarter, inch and a half, something like that. Now, this unit has 2 jigging mode. One is continuous mode and one is start and stop mode. On continuous mode, the motor will turn at approximately 25 RPMs, and in start and stop mode, the motor will turn a little faster at approximately 35 RPM. The start and stop mode, for this video, the timer is set to jig approximately 8-9 seconds, and then you're going to stop for 20 seconds, and then it will repeat the cycle. The units become already preset to jig approximately 8-9 seconds and stop for 75 seconds, and then it will repeat the cycle. But those settings can't be changed. So now we're going to touch the end of the rod to this pin and place the line over the end. As you can see, we have to make some adjustment. This is too long for this rod. If I was using a longer rod, it probably would have been okay. So we wrap this around 2-3 times or whatever it takes to get it where you want it. Now, we're just about ready to put the line on the line jigger here. Now we have to attach this magnet switch to the bottom there, because if you forget to attach this and you turn the switch on, you're going to hear that. Okay, here we go. I believe that's the start and stop mode. Yep. So it's going to stop now for approximately 20 seconds, then it'll restart. Now we're going to switch to continuous mode, which runs a little slower, but it'll run continuously. Now, whether you're running on continuous mode or start and stop mode, when the fish bites and the rod gets released from the pin, the motor is going to stop if it's turning, and the alarm will come on. Okay, the motor will stop. Well, if you want to remove the rod to reel in the fish, push this hook back, remove the line from the line jigger, lift up the back and swing it over, and hopefully you'll reel in the fish. And I think that's about it. So, thank you for watching and good luck fishing.